This is Robin with the San Francisco Bay Area Sasquatch Believers. I pulled up over here and I want you to see this beautiful dark area right here. Totally like a perfect bundle of things. Well, I caught from the car eye shine, like real eye shine, like a yellowy white animal eye shine from this space. Anyway, Zuka is in the car freaking out. I have some gifts. Yes, my little Christmas gloves. Some rocks. I dropped one of them. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm leaving Zuka in the car because I got a real clear message that they are nervous about him. So I'm just going to leave the camera going. It's going to rain here tonight and tomorrow, so I want them to know. I think they do. I really feel it. It felt very squatchy to me. I wasn't going to stop here today, but I decided I would. Yeah, that dark space right in there keeps getting darker and lighter. That's okay, though. That's what I'm here for. There are other people walking around me, so I'm trying to be a little cautious. I'm going to put you on pause for a moment. Or stop it and start it again. Good morning. What a beautiful dog. No, I'm just doing trees, etc.
It's a great, oh, you have a puppy.
Yeah.
It's a great bird day.
It certainly is. And look how green it is. Isn't it wonderful?
It seemed after it snowed, it was so pretty.
Oh, I know. I did see it. It was really beautiful.
Do you live in our neighborhood?
I don't, but I take care of a dog that's in your neighborhood.
Very good.
Yes, a Catahoula. And yes, his name is Zuka, and he is totally dog reactive. He wants to eat your puppy, I think.
Yeah,
They're all like that. And if you ask them, they're all starving.
yeah, well, if you took the dog off the leash, my dog would be fine. Put him on a leash?
Oh, sure.
Crazy.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah. What Beautiful. That's a Jack Russell, right? Short hair? Yes. Parsons. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so I see something. Oh, there's a bicyclist over there. That's all right. I see. Is that like a rock on that thing over there? I can't tell what that is. I'm sorry, I cannot figure out why or how they make my hand move. I swear it's them. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. We're gonna go find out what that is. We're gonna go find out what that is. Did you guys like how I managed that one? Okay, so here we go. You get to go with me. I hope I have enough memory on my little camera here. Behold, there is magic all around us. Behold, there is magic all around us. Behold, there is magic all around us. Awaken, rejoice, and sing. Bringing the angels, singing the angels. Let them come and watch us pray. Bringing the angels, singing the angels. Let them come and watch us pray. On my right, Michael. Behind me, Gabriel. On my left, Uriel. In front of us, Raphael. Namaste, beloveds. Namaste. And on our heads and over our hearts, the presence of the One. And on our heads and over our hearts, the presence of the One. Surrounded by light we are. 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 Bringing the angels, singing the angels. Let them come and watch us play. Bringing the angels, singing the angels. Let them come and watch us pray. Namaste, beloveds. This is Robin with the San Francisco Bay Area Sasquatch Believers. Tuesday, February 12th. Signing off. Y'all have a good day.